Russia is making it clear it is not leaving West Asia anytime soon. In Moscow, the Kremlin has opened its doors to Syria's new president, signaling that even after the fall of Bashar al-Assad, Russia intends to hold its ground militarily and politically. Well, from Syria's Mediterranean coast to the desert air bases of Libya, this is Moscow's power play, adapting, consolidating, and expanding its regional footprint. Now, here's what President Putin and al-Shaara's meeting mean. Here's a report on it.
Russian President Vladimir Putin welcomed Syria's President Ahmad al-Shaara to the Kremlin this week, a meeting that put Russia's military future in Syria front and center. This was al-Shaara's second visit to Moscow since his coalition ousted Bashar al-Assad in December 2024. A moment many believed would end Russia's era in Syria, but it did not. Russia has since withdrawn from Qamishli airport in northeast Syria, a move Damascus interprets as a goodwill signal, and a way for Moscow to avoid being dragged into fighting between Syrian forces and the Kurdish-led SDF. But the core of Russia's strategy remains intact. Russia is seeking to preserve its two most strategic bases in West Asia, the Maymim Air Base and the Tartus Naval Facility on Syria's Mediterranean coast, critical for projecting power across the region. Putin publicly praised al-Shaara's push to restore Syria's territorial integrity, a strong political endorsement of the new leadership.
We've been closely monitoring your efforts to restore Syria's territorial integrity. I want to congratulate you on the fact that this process is gaining momentum. We have always advocated for the restoration of Syria's territorial integrity. You know this, and we support all your efforts in this direction.
According to reports, talks also covered Iran, Israel and security in southern Syria, with Damascus seeking Russian involvement to deter Israeli incursions. When Assad fell, Western analysts predicted Russia would shift its weight to Libya. That plan was ready. Over the past year, Russia has built a logistical transit network across eastern and southern Libya, using air bases at Al-Khadim, Al-Jufra, Brak al-Shati and Matem al-Sara, supporting operations deep into Africa. The message from Moscow is unmistakable. Russia may have lost Assad, but it has not lost West Asia.